Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This guide shows how to delete OneDrive files safely and permanently. I will explain web, desktop, and mobile methods step by step. Deleted items go to the OneDrive recycle bin for 30 days by default. You can restore or permanently delete items before retention ends. On business accounts, admins can set retention up to 93 days or customize policies. Follow these steps to reclaim space and protect privacy across devices. Permanent deletion empties the recycle bin and removes files from cloud storage. Make sure you have backups before permanent deletion to open OneDrive. Com in a browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Select one or more files, then click Delete to move them to the recycle bin. To delete from the desktop, open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer on Windows. Right-click the file and choose Delete to sync the removal to the cloud. To bypass the recycle bin, use Shift+Delete on local files so they skip the local recycle bin. After deletion, open the OneDrive recycle bin online to verify items moved there successfully. To recover a deleted file, open the OneDrive recycle bin online and choose Restore within 30 days. If you need permanent removal, open the recycle bin and choose Empty Recycle Bin to free storage. For shared files, check the shared view to confirm other owners before deleting. Use version history to restore previous file versions instead of deleting useful data. Store sensitive files in Personal Vault before removing other copies for extra security. Regularly review storage metrics to
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.